If your pool is costing you $100 in electricity every month, you're probably doing this wrong. Most pool owners think that high energy bills are just part of owning a pool, but with some simple changes, we can dramatically reduce the cost of your energy and we can improve your water quality. Pool Professor here, we're on the job. I'm gonna help you learn how to reduce your pool's energy cost. Follow me. Welcome back to the classroom. We're going to talk about two things that usually make or break a pool owner: water and electricity. Now, usually if you mix those two things together, it's a shocking experience. But today, we're going to talk about those two things and how to save some serious cash. In our neck of the woods, most pools are about 20,000 gallons, but we're standing in front of this 40,000 gallon beast. No matter what size your pool is, big or small, the goal is the same: 2 turnovers a day, getting all this water through the filter twice a day. And we want to do that without making the electric meter spin so fast it looks like it's going to take flight. First, the sprint. Automatic pool cleaner manufacturers tell us that they'll cover a 20,000 gallon pool in 2 to 4 hours. We need muscle for this. And when I say muscle, I mean pump speed. We aim for between 3,000 and 3,400 RPMs. That's about 87% to 100% of the pump's ability. The sweet spot for me is 3,250 RPM. If we don't have enough speed to move the vacuum, it just becomes a decorative water rock. So here's where most people get drained. They think running their pool 24 hours a day is going to cost them a fortune. But let me introduce you to something called the Affinity law. It's the only place where the universe gives you something for free. What it says is, if you cut your pump speed in half, you don't save half the electricity, you save 8 times. So cutting the pump speed in half to 1750 RPMs means you're moving half the water, but you're not using half of the electricity. You're using 12% of the electricity you were using on high speed. Once your cleaner has finished its 4-hour shift, then we drop down to marathon speed. I recommend between 2,000 and 2,500 RPMs. What we need is enough speed to keep a salt system, a UV, an ozone, or an AOP triggered and continued to run. At this speed, your cleaner probably isn't going to move. It's going to get to a corner and just stop. It's not broken. Don't panic. It's just taking a nap. This is really good for the cleaner because it's not grinding the gears 24 hours. It's still circulating water and keeping the pool filtering. If you have questions about how to set your pump speed, go to our video that talks about it here. But Pool Professor, you ask, why should I run it 24 hours? Because moving water is healthier. Standing water is just an invitation for algae to move in and start a family. Running it 24/7 helps prevent staining. It keeps the minerals in the water moving and stops them from settling on the plaster. It also keeps your chemistry perfectly mixed. 2 things you need to check before we walk away. First, in your skimmer, there still should be some flow. If you're not seeing some swirl in the skimmer, then you're creating a petri dish on top of your pool. The second thing is the spillover or spillway. If it doesn't have enough flow, you might need to set up an actual spillover feature in your automation. So the lesson for today is high speed for the grime, low speed for the time. The Affinity law saves you a dime. I'm the Pool Professor, not a poet. For more help with your pool, tips and tricks, follow us. And if you're local to St. George, come see us. Clearwater Pool Supply. We're off River Road, behind the Popeyes Chicken and the Costa Vida. I'm the Pool Professor, helping pool owners have an A+ experience. Class dismissed.